Moto Italia has gone ahead and debuted a new model at a separate launch event while other motorcycle firms are busy preparing for the 2023 Moto Show. The two colors of this limited edition scooter are blue Audace and orange Tramonto. Both the former and the latter have accents in each other. The Primavera is the basis for this specific model. A 155cc air-cooled, single-cylinder IJET engine with 13 horsepower and 13 Nm of torque powers this Vespa. The scooter has front ABS, front disc brakes, rear drum brakes, and 12-inch wheels with 110/70ths front and 120/70ths rear tires. The new Primavera is priced at 235,000 pesos. It's better that we continue to keep an eye out for Vespa there because they might still have something in store for us. For more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.